Hi, my name is Liuw with student number 2210110. Today, we're going to learn about logic. Logic is the foundation of thinking clearly, making good decisions, and understanding why something makes sense. In everyday life, we face many choices. And to make the right choice, we need to think in a structured and reasonable way. So when we study logic, we are not just learning for exams. We are practicing how to think. In logic, we use something called propositions. A proposition is a statement that can be either true or false. For example, P equals, it is raining. Q equals, I bring an umbrella. To combine propositions, we use logical operators. Not P, P and Q, P and Q, P or Q, P or Q, P right pointing arrow Q, if P then Q. So the sentence if it is raining, then I bring an umbrella can be written as P right pointing arrow Q. To determine when a statement is true or false, we use truth tables. The key idea for the implication P right pointing arrow Q is, it is only false when P is true, but Q does not happen. In everyday terms, you made a promise, but you didn't keep it. That's the only time an implication is false. To simplify logical expressions, we use laws of logic. Some important ones: double negation. Not P is defined as P. De Morgan's laws. Not P and Q is defined as not P or not Q. Not P or Q is defined as not P and not Q. Implication law. P right pointing arrow Q is defined as not P or Q. Absorption. P or P and Q is defined as P. These laws help us reduce complex statements into simpler forms, without changing their meaning. Next, we have rules of inference, patterns that allow us to draw valid conclusions. For example, modus ponens. P right pointing arrow Q. Therefore Q. If I study, and if studying leads to understanding, then I understand. Modus tollens. P right pointing arrow Q. Not Q. Therefore not P. If the result did not happen, then the cause did not happen either. These rules help us reason clearly and logically. Logic is not just theory. In daily life, if the sky is cloudy, I will bring an umbrella. In programming, Python, if cloudy, bring _ umbrella equals true. Computers operate using only true or false, 1 or 0. So when we learn logic, we are learning the basic language of computers. Logic helps us see more clearly. It helps us understand why we choose something, not just what we choose. When we understand logic, we understand how we think, and how computers think. Keep